Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. For much of this year, we've been treated to the nauseating spectacle of President Trump endlessly threatening Russia. He's going to impose new tariffs on Russia. He's going to impose massive sanctions. He's going to green light military attacks on Russia, and so on. But of course, he never delivers on any of these threats. This is why, actually, in America, Trump has gained the nickname of TACO, which stands for Trump always chickens out. At the moment, Trump is currently saying he's going to give President Putin 2 more weeks. This is his favourite threat, by the way. 2 more weeks to make peace. And if that hasn't happened after 2 weeks, then something bad will happen. As should be crystal clear to anyone by now, Trump is basically stringing everyone along. If you string someone along, you deceive them for a long time about what you're really going to do. So maybe a friend of yours is having an affair with a married guy, and she keeps telling you, he said he loves me, he promised to leave his wife, he said he's going to get a divorce, it's just that he can't do it this year because she's ill or because of the children, maybe next year. Listen, you probably need to tell her, he's just stringing you along. It's never gonna happen. He's never gonna leave his wife. Or maybe your friend is thinking of dumping her boyfriend, but she can't quite bring herself to do it just yet. And you have to say to her, listen, sometimes you need to be cruel, to be kind. The longer you string him along, the more it's going to hurt him when you do finally dump him. And maybe you're working for a boss who keeps promising you a pay rise year after year. But every time you go and talk to your boss about this mythical pay rise, the boss will come up with excuses for why they can't actually give you a pay rise just yet. Maybe the company's having a few financial problems, or the economic climate isn't quite right, or if you get a pay rise, then everyone else will want one. Sooner or later, you have to face up to the fact that your boss is just stringing you along, and it might be time to move on. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use stringing people along.